So we're in Times Square. My first time in New York. Big fun here. Checking stuff out.
Which way is north?
Well, we're walking the streets of New York. I just seen Big Bus in New York.
Oh yeah, the big bus tours.
Yeah, they're on there.
Okay,
Oh.
find some food.
Oh, this, yeah.
Let me search.
They kill it or not? Those guys.
Okay, there's a place called Curry, India.
We're just here now.
It's about 3 blocks south.
I'm here in Times Square. There's a lot of things going on. Look at that.
Yeah.
A lot of parties going on. So we're in Times Square. First time in New York. Big fun here.
What are the buildings around us? Do you see Forever 21? There's Forever 21.
So we are passing it. So if you walk a little bit, it's gonna.
Okay, and what else is here? Oh yes, I think it is that. Let's start walking and see.
Okay. So
It's only 4 minutes, so even if we can turn around, we can just head back the other way.
yeah.
But at least we'll have lots of food, and then we can go to Wall Street if you want
Thank
to.
you. I don't know why I keep on saying Times Tower. It's supposed to be Times Square.
Not a circle.
Because
but a
in
square.
Nairobi there's a Times Tower.
Oh,
So I keep on confusing that.
what do you call it? Time what?
Times Tower in Nairobi.
Okay, it says that we gotta go this way.
Oh, we cross the side?
This is close by.
Yeah. But that's how they do it.
But it would also
Yeah.
be more convenient if people walked on one side
Yeah.
of the sidewalk,
Yeah.
one direction, and the other side the other direction.
Now it's even if you lived in New York for a long time, you'll want to get out and go to a city that is quiet,
Like Phoenix.
like Phoenix. Hmm? Oh, okay. How are you there?
I don't want to mess up for tomorrow.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be rainy. You said it's going to be raining in DC, right? Look at that. That is... How far are we?
0.2 miles.
0.2? Oh, so that's close. That's close by. I like that. Look at that.
This is what the Broadway shows are.
Oh,
Local Broadway,
this is a Schubert Theater. She like it hot. A new musical. It's Schubert. You like it hot. Well, we're walking the streets of New York. This is Times Square.
Like 1,000.
Times Square, pretty busy. We're looking for an Indian restaurant. We need some Indian food because if you're vegan, then your options are your options is tough. So we'll see what goes on. But it looks like there's an Indian restaurant 0.2 miles away from here. Oh wow, okay. Now you can get what you wish. You can get what you wish, that's cool.
What do you wish? Your wife will cook more food, I get it. More food more often.
Phantom of the Opera. Everybody's going to the Phantom. Oh, which show is that? Everybody's going to the show.
Of the opera?
Yeah. You want us to watch it? I guess you have to book the ticket early in advance to do that show.
Yeah.
Shake Shack up there. Shake Shack.
Yeah.
You said it's down there?
It's at the end of the next block.
The end of the next block? Whoa.
Something.
This restaurant is like
Crossover.
cross?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, right here.
So where is it? Like at the end there? Oh, and okay. I should be down there. We'll get it. Oh, let's go. Oh, and that goes to, that's the subway.
Now you just whatever you want.
What?
Huh? To cross that side and go that.
Comedy
Reminds me of,
ticket, live
Dave
show,
Leonard.
stand-up comedy. Is it for the Daily Show? No. Okay. The Daily Show with Trevor.
So where's the Rockefeller? Behind this, right? Because that's what's gonna guide me. Because I can't. That's gonna be my guiding. Let's go through that side. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Yeah. Oh, it's an apple. How do they sell apple in the street? Yeah. Go ahead. Maybe they're not real. Maybe they're.
Snacks and grabs, right?
Maybe. Do you wanna cross that side, or you just go towards Pele and you go like that?
Okay. But I can't do it for 14 seconds.
Okay.
You gotta wait for the next one.
Let's go there. It's much shorter.
There to take a picture of the I like the red one. Hold on.
Hold on tight,
Hold on tight.
so I don't lose you. Wow, that's pretty cool. Oh, let's go. And that's oh, look at that! I see Wakanda forever. And there's so many different kind of smoke. They're really choking me. Hmm?
But I hate the smell of cigarettes and cigars, so at least it's not that legit.
It smells like soap.
It smells like soap.
Yeah, no, they're smoking. Smoke,
That.
One thing bad is cigarettes.
smoky smell, but it's choking like it's burning soap. Wow, this is. I see why it's called Times Square. It's pretty busy
All the time.
all the time. What time do they go home? I can do it anyway.
Not in the. Okay, we gotta stand on the side for you to stop. You wanna stand over here?
Oh yeah, I can do this. I can do this. I got.
Stairs?
Okay, let's go. Well, this is my best shop in New
Go
York.
in there? Come on. You want to go there. You can't call it the best shop in New York. You're not inside.
Yeah. Let's see what they're selling. Oh, look at that. Pele and Muhammad Ali. My two favorites.
Greatest of all time.
Greatest of all time. Wow. That's pretty cool. To America.
Chelsea.
Chelsea.
Was it 150?
60 bucks.
Look at that jacket.
This is
That's
100
beautiful.
bucks. And that's it, Chelsea t-shirt. All that stuff are pretty dang. All that stuff are very expensive.
Oh, because it's the original brand, right?
Yeah. If there's a thing I could put on it, a Chelsea t-shirt. Oh, this is a kid's one. Yeah. I like the design for Paris. They always have good Paris and Germain. They always have a good design. But I'm blues all the way. Blues.
Yeah.
All right.
South Africa in the building. All right.
Yep.